Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to install a virtual machine on Windows and run Ubuntu 2022 under Windows. So let's get started. We can search from Google about Oracle VirtualBox and then we click uh, download the latest version, and we want this for Windows hosts. Same thing from Google, we search for Ubuntu 22.04, download, and then there is the Jamie Jellyfish version, and then we download the desktop image. All right, so this would take some time. We actually uh, prepared this already, and let's get started by installing the VirtualBox first. So double clicking this from the downloads. We have here Windows 11, but the same story happens with Windows 10, for example. All right, so let's follow the instructions. Next, next. You're just following the defaults. Fine. All right, that's totally fine. All these defaults are fine. Install, and then it should take a few minutes. This one should be really quick. All right, so it's done. So let's start. Yeah, here we go. All right, so now I can start actually. I can create different virtual machines, different operating systems, but the goal here is to do Ubuntu 2022. So let's click new. I'm gonna call this virtual machine Ubuntu 22. This is the location where it's going to go. That's fine. And then it wants me to link the place of the Ubuntu file that we downloaded. It's a big file, so it actually takes some time to download. Let's see where it is. It's in my downloads, and here it is. All right, so it should recognizes that's yeah, it says it's detected or Ubuntu operating system can be installed unattendedly. The install will start after this weather. I actually like I don't know this unattended installation thing. I'm gonna skip it. I didn't test it myself. Um, uh, a couple of details here is assigning RAM memory for your virtual machine. So it turns out that this laptop has about 16 giga, and I can assign as I wish to the virtual machine. Let me go and assign half of them, almost half, yeah. In terms of processors, again, I don't want to use all the processors for the virtual machine. Here I'm gonna only use maybe four. Yeah, it's good enough. Enable EFI. This is special for special operating systems. I don't think we need it for Ubuntu. For Ubuntu, it should be fine without this. All right, so next, create a virtual hard disk. How much space we need to allocate in the hard disk? Well, this is up to you, and depending on how much space you have, I don't think we will need a huge space. I mean, virtual machine calculations are intended, to prepare files for big calculations somewhere else. So let's see, I'm going for, you know, maybe 50 gigabyte is good enough, and I will pre-allocate the full size in advance. Okay, I'm not gonna do these other options. I will create a virtual disk now. All right, so next, this is a summary of what we have chosen. And by the way, some of these can be updated later, especially the hardware options can be updated later if we want. But the disk space, once assigned, it is assigned. We have to live with it. All right, so we hit finish, and this should take some time. So we are gonna pause this recording until it finishes. All right, so this has finished. So we have Ubuntu 2022. Let's double click on it. So it's powering up the virtual machine as we see here. All right, here it is, starting your virtual machine. Uh-huh. So it says there are options here. The first one is try to install Ubuntu, Ubuntu Safe Graphics, some other stuff. We'll go for the first one, which is try or install Ubuntu, the first item. So I'm going down and up using the up and down arrows. So I choose the first one. I hit enter. All right. So starting Ubuntu will ask me a couple of questions before the installation. It's taking some time uh, to give me the questions about the installation thing. So let's see, still waiting. We probably need to pause here until, right? We need to pause, yeah. No, it's not try Ubuntu. I want to install Ubuntu. We want to do some installation. In terms of language, default is English. That's good for us. All right. Normal installation, yes. Download updates while the installing Ubuntu. Yeah, that's fine. Especially I'm connected to the internet. So yeah, I'm gonna go with these two defaults. What else do we have? Yeah, all right. So it's warning me that it will erase the disk and install Ubuntu. So there is no need to worry here. It's warning you about losing data and stuff like this. Remember, it's not gonna erase all your hard disk. It's just only erasing the amount of the hard disk that you allocated to the virtual machine. So that's fine. So nothing to worry about. So the rest of your Windows, because we are running this under Windows, will remain safe. So install now and continue. I think that there should be still another option or so. Yeah. So there is also this option here. Yeah, the option related to the location here. Yeah, choose where you are located. And yeah, you can choose a name. So I'm gonna call this one iron, and the computer I will call it iron as well. Assign some username, sorry, some password. Require the password to log in. That's fine. Yeah, so let's continue. So yeah, this is gonna take some time. So let's pause here. All right, so we are now done. So it says restart now, so sure, restart, no problem. And we should have Ubuntu ready. So in subsequent videos, we will show how to install software. Yeah, we need to hit enter this time. We'll show how to install software in Ubuntu. Thank you so much.